Back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to do object detection using MediaPipe for web development with JavaScript. So here you can see a dog's image, and keep an eye on the console. So I will just refresh this page, and here at the bottom you should be able to see, okay, here you can see that it has successfully recognized the dog. So this is what the MediaPipe library help us to do, like object detection kind of thing. So let's have a look at the code. Now I am using Next.js, which is a React.js framework, but you can use whatever makes sense to you. So firstly I have added this dog image inside my public directory. So I will just hard code that image inside my image component. Also, if you see inside my package.json, I have added this library MediaPipe/task-vision, which will help us to do object detection. And if you see over here inside my component, so firstly I'll just remove this. Okay, so here I have taking an Next.js image component. If you are using some other framework, you can use a normal image tag, HTML image tag as well. And here I am just referencing our image, and once the image has loaded, I am calling this handle image ref method. If you go back over here, so I am using this use callback hook, and once the image has been loaded properly, I am using this vision which is from this file set resolver which is from MediaPipe.task-vision, which helps us to load a WASM file. We don't need to know a lot about WASM for this. So it loads a WASM file, which basically helps us to run non-JavaScript code on the web as well. Next we have to use this object detector.create from options, which takes this vision, and we also need to add this model asset path, which basically is like which will basically help us. It is like a TF light library or a model, and TF light means TensorFlow. TF stands for TensorFlow, and light means it is an extremely light version of the library which you can use on the client side, which is on the website. So once you do that, and so here I'm checking if node not equal to null, which means this is our image reference, and object detector is also not equal to null, then I'm just calling detection object detector.detect, and I'm passing the image over here, and here I'm printing the actual image. Now here you can see it is an array. So if you want, you can loop over it as well, and there are other different components as well. Like if you see, like there is display name, index, score. So if you want, you can print that as well. So this is for images. There is also code for video, but unfortunately, like what I have noticed is that when I try to enable the camera for my laptop, it always says that it is a car. I'm not sure why. It looks like there is still some bug with that image, like this MediaPipe library. So here I have let me just show you how I have used it. I won't show you the output for video, so just on comment this. So this is the video element from video tag from HTML, and I have just added an ID, and here I am adding this handle video ref, and this uses a use callback. So this node now will be a video. Again, same thing, I'm using this WASM file for loading, and once we do that, then I'm using an object detector. If you want, you can add this delegate of CPU and score threshold as well. So if you add this score threshold, then it means that minimum threshold should be 0.5 for an object to be detected, and the running mode is video. And here I am checking whether the user's browser has user media or not. If yes, then here we are requesting access for camera, that's specifically for video. And once we get a stream, I am assigning it to our video element, and then we have to use the start time, which gives us a time in nanoseconds, I guess. That's why we use performance.now instead of the date object from JavaScript, and we just need to pass this start time millisecond as well as our video to this object detector.detect for video. And if detection is not equal to undefined, I'm just printing it to the console. So yeah, that's it for this video part as well. So yeah, that's how you do object detection using MediaPipe for web. Thank you for watching. Bye.